How to use QANDA AI Tutor feature. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on message icon usually available on the home screen. Now you can either type your question or scan it using the camera to get AI-powered solution. The AI tutor analyzes your question and provides detailed step-by-step explanation, hint, and additional learning tips to help you understand the concept thoroughly. You can interact with the AI tutor by asking follow-up questions or requesting simpler explanation if something is unclear. The AI tutor also offers suggestions for related questions and exercises, making it easier to practice and strengthen your knowledge in the subject. Using this feature helps you learn faster, solve homework efficiently, and gain a better understanding of difficult topics. Now you know how to use AI tutor feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study tips.